Check out Lockheed Martin's latest innovation, the NGAS stealth tanker aircraft. Designed to revolutionize aerial refueling and reconnaissance missions, this futuristic aircraft boasts cutting-edge technology to meet the demands of modern warfare. With the U.S. Air Force and its allies in mind, Lockheed Martin has developed the NGAS to replace the aging KC-135 fleet. These tankers play a crucial role in extending the reach of military aircraft, enabling operations far beyond their base locations. From facilitating global deployments to supporting critical missions, such as the Falklands War, these aerial tankers are indispensable assets. In today's ever-evolving geopolitical landscape, the importance of advanced refueling systems cannot be overstated. With tensions rising in the Indo-Pacific region, the need for reliable tanker aircraft has never been greater. The NGAS is poised to meet these challenges head-on, offering enhanced capabilities for extended operations over vast distances. While specific details about the NGAS remain confidential, Lockheed Martin's concept showcases a sleek and agile aircraft capable of carrying substantial fuel loads. Its futuristic design incorporates stealth features, including lambda-style wings and radar-distorting chine along the fuselage. Rounded air intakes and recessed exhaust pipes further reduce its radar and thermal signatures, ensuring enhanced survivability in hostile environments. Equipped with a spacious cabin and advanced avionics, the NGAS requires a minimal crew of 2. Its innovative layout suggests autonomous refueling capabilities, eliminating the need for a dedicated boom operator. Additionally, the aircraft features a refueling port on its fuselage, enabling in-flight refueling operations for extended mission durations. With its versatile design, the NGAS aligns with the U.S. Air Force's vision of multi-role platforms. Beyond aerial refueling, it can fulfill roles in intelligence, reconnaissance, command and control, and even serve as an arsenal ship for deploying constellations and missiles. Stay tuned as Lockheed Martin continues to push the boundaries of aviation technology with the NGAS stealth tanker aircraft, paving the way for the future of aerial operations.